Assalamu alaikum all students. I am RAZIA from BHSS KUPWARA. My trade is ITes. Today our lecture is how to prepare ourselves for maintenance of computer. That is, what is the maintenance schedule. So in this topic we'll go through some points which we must go through in order to maintain our computer. So regular maintenance of computer system is very important. We have here penned down some of the activities which are first of all we have to keep the components of computer just like we have keyboard, we have monitor, we have mouse, etc. They must be clean. Okay, we have to keep them clean. Second point is we have to replace that hardware which is not functioning properly. So that hardware which is not working properly, we must not keep it among the components. We must replace it. Third one is we must keep food items away from the computer, because it can spin on our computer, it can spill on our computer, and it can ruin it. And we must keep cables and cords in such a manner that they must not be messed up. And another point is that we must remove unauthorized software from the computer, because it can harm our computer. And we must take a regular backup of our data, so that if our computer gets damaged, our data is always in safety. And we must ensure backups are working properly by periodically restoring data. So we should use external hard drive for backup of data on our computer. And we must run antivirus periodically, and we must keep our antivirus software up to date. And we must not overcharge our batteries, and we must always shut down our computer properly. And this was all about how we can go through the maintenance schedule. Now there may be some possibility that these questions may be asked in your paper. For example, there may be a question that is what is the possible cause of slowing down a computer? That is, which factor may slow down our computer? The answer is very simple, that unnecessary information which is stored in our computer can slow down it. So we must go through a regular disk defragmentation so that we can remove the unnecessary information that slow down the computer. Okay, answer is that unnecessary information which is stored in a computer can slow down it. So what is the precaution, or what is the solution? Solution is to go for disk defragmentation, so that we can remove the unnecessary information which slows down the computer. Okay, there may be a possibility that the question may be asked, why keyboard should be covered if not in use? Why we should cover keyboards if they are not in use? Okay, so the answer is dirt and dust can cause damage to our components of computer, that is keyboards or keys of keyboards. So the keyboard and the keys of keyboards may get dirt and dust, and which may let them not function properly. Okay, this is the answer of this question. And another question may be asked, what general precautions should you take while cleaning the computer components? You know betterly that the computer components should be cleaned regularly by simple water or special cleaning liquid. and the spray should not be should be done on cotton rather than directly on the computer. Another question, the possibility is maybe asked in your question, in your paper. List some of the maintenance activities for the computer system. You better know. I have repeated it so many times that how we can maintain, what are the activities in order to maintain our computer system. These are that first of all, you may write, we must keep food items away from computer. Second one is taking regular backup of the data. Third one is running antivirus periodically. Fourth one is keeping antivirus up to date. Fifth one is do not overcharge the computer batteries. Okay. And there may be another question, that is why regular disk defragmentation should be done. Why disk defragmentation should be done? The answer is that regular disk fragmentation should be done to remove all unnecessary information that slows down the computer. So disk defragmentation done at regular intervals will help the disk space to be used at an optimal level. Optimal means best level. Okay. This is all about today's lecture, and we'll go through next topic in next lecture. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.